Squirrel, Sam!
Josie, no.
Sam is watching for a squirrel. And it's up in that tree. There he is. There's Max, the squirrel.
See, Max, honey, could be a man Max, or it could be Maxine Max. Look at me.
Sam and his squirrel. Squirrel, Sam! He's just so happy.
91 members.
He gets to chase his favorite buddy, the squirrel.
13. Holy good Christmas.
Come on, Sam, do something. Sam.
Did you read this down?
Squirrel, Sam!
Mommy, somebody accidentally put these things out for the trash. Show that one to Marge.
There he went. Did you see that? Watch Sam.
You cold?
Just a little bit.
Squirrel, Sam! Squirrel! See the squirrel? There he is. See, he's right. Let's see where I can't even get my finger in there. Sam, he's right up the tree trunk. That's Max. I think I found his little reservoir, too. Look at him, Ma.
What?
He's taunting Sam.
I can't see through you.
I'll show you. Right there, Mom. See him? He's taunting Sam on the tree. On the tree.
Oh, yeah, look at him.
He's
They aren't
taunting.
going to move, and they aren't going to do something.
Why is he just sitting there?
He's getting where he knows Sam can't get to him.